Here we are. This is the entrance of 60 Rutledge. Choose between water and white. So it's like 7 minutes walk from the Mersey stop on the JNZ. This is the entrance. I live with, as you might can guess, some graffiti artists. Hip-hop dancers, cats and dogs, anyway, so you have a few rooms, some are empty, actually not anymore. But people basically use this as a parking or studios. There is one painter there. There's our cleaning lady, lives here. And then there we are. There's a room here also. That's my room. That's Oscar's room. Some dude, English girl, another dude. You have washing and dryer, and 2 bathrooms between 8 rooms, which is really not a lot, but it's alright. It's clean. Anyway.
Do you know about digital cameras now recently?
Huh?
Do you know anything about digital cameras?
1 second. Eccoci qua. This is the room. So this is like the working sort of area, working space, as you can see. I mean, right now it's a mess. Maureen as well is coming in and paint. Dominican, these are their paintings. That's a Dominican. That's mine. This is an office. So under the there you are. Office area. You have a sort of living room area. And this is what I'm gonna use as a storage when I'm gone, which is a room basically. And this is what's gonna be a room, open space. And so, or we can switch around, but I put all my shit in there anyway. So oh, pretty big spaces. So it's not very intimate in a sort of way, but we hang, when we are guests, usually we hang these really thick what do you call it, canvases.